Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Evolve Weekly. This week, we're going to take you on a factory tour through Evolve HQ here on the Gold Coast in Australia. We're going to show you the process from how the boards get from us at our factory to you. So this is where our electric skateboards are stored once we receive them from our manufacturing facility. Prior to us receiving these, they have gone through a stringent QC process already, but we like to make sure we do more to ensure that by the time we get them to you, they're in perfect condition. So the first thing we do is grab the boards from the boxes, place them on the ground with the remotes on the boards so the guys can test ride. We love to make sure that every single board has been test rided for at least 5 minutes. Through that process, we ensure that the connectivity of the remote is working well, the gears up and gears down are working well, the nuts and bolts are tight, and the skateboard is running as it should. So once the boards have been test ridden, they're pushed through to our secondary QC process. This is where we test the battery charger and the remote charger to ensure that they're working perfectly with your board. We also check for any blemishes, scratches, and to make sure the product is clean before we put it in the box and send it out to you. So once the boards have been put through our QC process, they're put into a box and they're ready to ship. Evolve HQ have a process in place that all of our global distributors use. This allows our quality control process to be of the highest standard, which in the end allows us to ship the board to you as efficiently and as quickly as possible. Evolve Skateboards have customer service teams all around the world. So if you have an issue, please don't hesitate to email us or call us, as we want you out there having fun. Thanks for watching, and remember, we love to see videos from the community. So if you're going to share, please use #EvolveRiders.